At the end, what was your end goal? Was that patient, that passion that made you a doctor.
You have been by far, like, I can't even say early comer. I mean, like, you actually, like, broke down the wall and entered this world of innovation and AI when it comes from a medical aspect. For those that are listening, that are like, I get it. I start to see that I will be lost and probably not the best version of myself in the medical industry without learning and absorbing this. What do they do? What does a person that right now doesn't know much? Is it sharing their data? Is it reading? What can they do today to be the most receptive and get the most value from AI if they're a newcomer into the space?
I would say follow your heart. Just like you got into med school, got into your profession, it wasn't easy. You had to go all in to get into that point. With AI, become a life learner, just like medicine, just add that to your specialty. And when I say the passion is because if you're not passionate about, let's say, healthcare, you're not passionate about your patients, think of it as channel into that passion to say, you know what, this is going to give me the energy to read this stuff that I hate reading because maybe you don't like AI. But you know what, at the end, what was your end goal? Was that patient, that passion that made you a doctor. And so then use that as an energy force. Now, what to do with AI? Biasly, I'm going to say follow people like me, follow people like you, so that you can get the spectrum. One of my favorite things in high school was when a high school teacher said to me, this is in New York City, he's like, Harvey, read the New York Post and then read the New York Times and compare the two newspapers on everything. Same thing here. Follow AI, find people on the right, the left, hear both sides, listen to some podcasts. That way you make the decision what's best for you and your patients. And I think that is the key. Where to get more knowledge? I'm biased. I love YouTube. I love LinkedIn. I like to see what's trending. So there's an interesting podcast called Hume AI. Imagine you driving down the street and being able to talk to your podcast and say you're an oncologist and be like, hey, what's the latest articles that just came out? And then it'll be able to have a conversation. Then you can cut it off and say, okay, I remember reading that. Let's go to the next. Let's use these things so that you can balance both AI, human, to do what's best for your patients and just get that whole education. So LinkedIn, YouTube, find different influencers or people that you like and read both sides of the story.